Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how to be motivated. This is such a broad subject, so I'm going to be making this more personal to how I'm motivated. After really thinking about the things that keep me going every day, I was able to break it down to this: happiness, health, goals, achievements, and success. Happiness. The reason I chose this as one of the reasons that helps me to be motivated is actually simple. Everything appears to be working better overall. When you're happy, everything just seems better. The birds are chirping, it's a good morning, the sun is shining. If your personal outlook is positive and happy. Being happy in itself helps you to feel better about life. It makes the worst situations just overall better. Health. Health is a huge factor in being motivated. If you eat the wrong foods and get little sleep, you feel grumpy and lazy. However, with the proper sleep, food, and exercise, you're left feeling good, full of energy, and ready to move on with your day. Goals. Setting goals to accomplish over time is a great feeling. It helps make you feel like you're working towards something. Usually waking up every day with some sort of goal in mind or objective will help you to stay motivated towards completing that task. Achievements. This can be any sort of accomplishment or anything you feel worthy of achievement for. It's about the small victories in life. Eating a healthy meal, working out that day, getting a good grade on a test, or going on a good date. The whole point of having achievements is to make yourself feel good about all the effort you're putting into things daily. You'll be able to slowly start checking off the items that are on your goal list, and once you do, you're going to start feeling really good about achieving those goals. Success. If you can successfully navigate through these 4 other steps, success will be right at your doorstep. Success doesn't happen overnight, but rather over years, or sometimes a whole entire lifetime. Success is more like a marathon than a short sprint. If you slowly keep a steady walk or jog, eventually you'll get there, but it's about the small steps during the race. Happiness, having good health, having goals, accomplishing those goals, and recognizing those achievements, all of those will lead you to success. The end goal of getting to success is what will keep you motivated. Everyone wants to be successful and live their dreams. Being motivated will lead you down the path to success. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to like if you enjoyed, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on my future videos. If you want to see tutorials, classes, and skills that I teach, feel free to check out my Skillshare page. If you'd like to support me directly through my Patreon, the link's in the description down below. Thanks for watching, peace.